And hi guys, today I'm back with an interesting topic, tag questions. What are tag questions? These are the mini statements that are attached to the clauses. And why do we use them? We use to confirm something when we already know the answer. It is quite funny, isn't it? They are used in the spoken as well as in the written form. Why do we use them? We use them to make the conversation more interactive and make the writing more eye-catching. There are different rules for making tag questions. First of all, when your clausal statement is in the positive form, you should use the tag question in the negative form. When it is in the negative form, you will use the tag question in the positive form. And tenses will be according to your clausal statements. I mean, the tenses of your tag questions would be according to your clausal statements. And on the last, your pronouns would go according to the clausal statements. There are a few examples that I want to discuss here. She is Italian, isn't she? He is working hard, isn't he? He was desperate, wasn't he? I mean, you can easily analyze that whether when there is clausal statement in the negative form, you will use the positive tag question. And if I give an example, you must not fight, must you? Boys are walking, aren't they? I mean, for boys you are using they. And these are just a few ways. This is one of the way to use different tools to make your language more interactive, more interesting, and to impress people as well. And it makes your, if you're using tag question in your writing, whether you're writing an essay or any piece of material, any piece of writing you are making, so you can easily make your writing more interactive and communicative. And this was all for today, and I hope you will like this video and you will subscribe my channel. I have given the link below the description of my YouTube channel, and please like my Facebook page as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.